I'm Ileana Williams, and I first came to Cochise during the summer of 2023 when my boyfriend, but now husband, convinced me to come here and take a look around while he had his summer class going. He gave me the option to either sit and wait or actually go sign up. So I decided to sign up. I never really knew exactly what I wanted to come here for, but I figured it out working with my neighbor. He showed me a little bit of welding because he did not have steady hands, and he was like, "Hey, come check this out. Come do a weld for me." And I was like, "All right, let me try." So I tried, and I thought it was pretty cool. And that was what I ended up signing up for. So now I'm in the welding program for my Associates of Applied Science, and I'm in my second year, and I'll be graduating next semester in December. I first signed up for this just because I've loved working with my hands, and the Cochise College Foundation and scholarships I've received have absolutely helped me get through and be able to purchase my PPE. There's been a few times I've had to pay rent with it, and absolutely with groceries. This has also given me the opportunity to join the Skills USA Welding Club, which I got to compete in a competition in Tucson, and I got first place. So now we're going to state in Phoenix in just a few weeks. So we will see how that goes. But this for some future careers, this foundation, it's given me the opportunity to check out a lot of different welding processes and figure out what I like to do in my field. And I figured out I like TIG welding, which is you got a little torch, you got a pedal that you got to step on at the same time, and you got a rod that you're feeding into it. But I found out that I'm pretty all right at it. So I plan on going into aerospace or nuclear welding, which involves a lot of the TIG. And there are these other certificates I'm able to actually get through here, or certifications I'm able to get through here with being able to take these classes. I plan soon for a job, hopefully, when we're able to move to Tucson. There's this bronze casting museum that we got to see through my art field trip from one of these classes. And they put together these bronze statues with TIG welding. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. I can easily say it would not have been possible for me to do all of these classes or get this far without scholarships, with the financial aid I've been able to receive from people who have donated, because it can get expensive with also having to buy material for some classes. I am very thankful to have received all of these, and with great help to everyone here, for sure. It has gone. I'm so sorry. It's going very well. I'm very thankful. I've had an immense amount of help from my instructors, from my husband, from the school for reaching out to me, and just helping me on my way to figure out what I even want to do. I really appreciate it, and this has been a great Cochise College experience.